Hey, good morning everyone. This is Shankar from Bhumi Farms. We are standing in our insect net structure with a level of shade net protection below, and we're going to start discussing about our greens production. Today's focus is palak and methi. Methi is fenugreek and palak is spinach. So this structure has been put together because we have to do year-round production of these greens. They like to grow most of the season, but then rain or heavy sun can damage them quite a bit. They become completely unprofitable. So we have tried a lot of types of structures. We have done some research, and we find the most cost-effective arrangement is to have an insect net. You can see there are two layers above. You can see behind me there are two layers. First layer is that you see is a shade net. The second layer is above it is insect net. So this kind of arrangement helps with a lot of scenarios, like when there is rain, when there is insect attacks. All those scenarios are covered by this kind of structure. Thank you.